If you're living in the UK and planning for Hajj 2026, here's exactly what you need to know to secure your package. Since 2021, you can no longer book your Hajj packages directly from us or any other UK travel agent. Now, all packages are created by authorized Saudi companies and sold exclusively through the official Nusuk platform, hajj.nusuk.sa. So you might be wondering, if you're booking with a Saudi company online, what kind of support, education, and guidance will you actually receive? After all, Hajj is a demanding journey, both physically and spiritually. You'll need logistical help to navigate every challenge and religious guidance to make sure you get the most from this once-in-a-lifetime experience. But don't worry, this is where we come in. For the last few years, we've partnered with one of the largest authorized Saudi Hajj companies, Al-Hidaayah Travel, to guide UK pilgrims every step of the way, and we're hoping to continue this partnership for Hajj 2026. We'll help you choose the right package, assist with your booking, travel with you, and support you throughout your Hajj, from logistics to spiritual preparation. The booking process can be tricky, but our team will be by your side to give you the best chance of securing a package. So, here's how it works. Step 1. Go to alhidaayah.travel/Hajj and register your interest. This way, we can keep you fully updated. Step 2. Create your profile on hajj.nusuk.sa and make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Step 3. When the time comes, choose your Hajj package. We'll tell you which packages we'll be supporting and give you package codes you'll see on Nusuk. If you book one of these, we'll be there to support you. Step 4. Top up your e-wallet on Nusuk using your debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Step 5. Once the system goes live, purchase your package online. Remember, it's first come, first served, so acting fast is key. Keep an eye on our updates so you're fully informed. Once your package is booked, we'll make sure you're fully prepared, both physically and spiritually, to perform Hajj correctly, according to the Sunnah. And here is what we will provide. A dedicated Telegram channel for updates, Q&A, and sharing important information. Weekly online webinars covering both the logistics and spiritual preparation. And a full day in-person seminar before departure to make sure you're ready for every step of this blessed journey. Hajj is the journey of a lifetime. Let us guide you every step of the way. Register now at alhidaayah.travel/Hajj and begin your journey to Hajj 2026.